Euro against US dollar. The week started with a bearish candle, a strong bearish candle that has made a bearish breakout below this area of support 1.16857. The price has come very close to the next support level, the demand zone 1.15882. From here the price has returned back up slightly, and then the next day the price has reached this area of support and formed with a bullish pin bar right in the middle of between this resistance. The support was not so significant, but it was a signal that the price could return back up, and the price has done that on a Tuesday. On a Friday, formed a indecision candle. It was a bullish candle right here at the resistance level. Weekly time frame shows us a small bearish candle body, but with the strong bearish wick. There is no bullish wick on the upper side except this small one, which is just showing that there is a bearish sentiment and also bearish pressure on this week on the market. On the monthly time frame, we can see that this month has closed as a bullish candle, and it was a nice retrace from the previous month, a bearish sentiment. Currently, this looks like more bullish oriented because of this strong bullish pressure that has started from 1.14061. The price has reached very close to 1.1748 at resistance level, which was very important on the monthly time frame. But currently the monthly time frame shows bullish momentum that is still active, and there is a potential that the price reaches 1.18823, which is a confluence of resistance. For that we need to go to the lower time frame and see how the price is behaving here. What we currently see here, it is that we have the price reaching very close to this area of resistance. It was a bearish candle, could not manage to continue to attack the higher price levels, which means there is still strong selling pressure right here, which needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels. For now, for the weekly time frame, this means like indecision candle, and it is slightly bearish oriented because there is large wick that has pushed the price even further down below these wicks, below these 2 weeks from the 2 weeks before. The daily time frame currently shows that the price has reached the resistance level 1.16857. From here, we need to wait to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. So for now, I'm waiting for a Monday to open to see how the price behaves. Will it make a bullish breakout, or it will bounce back down, returning back to the previous support, which is around, first one is this one here, 1.1641, and below that is around this area here, 1.16, and then 1.15882. Until that happens, we need to see how the price behaves and then act accordingly, following the market, not chasing the market. And if there is any bullish or bearish breakout happening on the daily, especially 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders so they get information what is the target when the price makes that breakout. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check and join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.